Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Enclave. So today I have come with a very good feature in Snowflake which is very helpful in day-to-day writing SQL for analysis, and a lot of people do not know about it. So what happens if you have worked in a typical database or data warehouse system, you will see that a table has a lot of columns, sometimes more than 100 or 200 even, and we may not remember all the columns every time, right? So for example, if I show you this simple table, this has only 8 to 9 columns in it, very small table, but we are using this table for our analysis. We have two rows in it, right? So question is, if suppose this table has 200 columns in it and I do not remember the column name which I need to do analysis on, so what are the ways I can find that column name quickly and complete my analysis? So one of the ways is that I search this table, I go here, and then I see the definition and I see the complete list of columns over here. And the another way is that I use the dictionary tables. I write this query. I go to the information schema dot columns table and I check all the columns by the name and schema of the table. But then this may take a lot of time, right, in finding the right column. So just to resolve this issue, or just to help out the data engineers in this scenario, Snowflake has given this Ilike clause, which is very helpful. So suppose I want to find all the columns which has this pattern in it, in the column as the in the column name. So I can simply write select star I like, which is used for pattern matching, and then give the pattern for the column name. And if I run this query, I see only the column which have book in it. So suppose if I change it as allocated and now I run it, I will see only the columns which match to this pattern. So in this way, we can narrow down our list of columns only by knowing the patterns of the column, and we can avoid all those searching the columns in the definition or in the dictionary tables, and we can do our research on the table and analysis on the table quite faster. So I found this feature, and I usually use this feature on my daily basis analysis and writing SQL queries, and I find it very helpful. So if you also find it helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.